Role Play 20. Discussion about rent a flat. Hamoud gets a government job in New Delhi, so he wants to rent a room. He calls an agent. The agent receives his call and they talk as follows.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, sir. I can hear you well. Please let me know what I may serve you with.
Yes, sir, I want a flat on rent. Do you have a flat available?
Yes, of course. Tell us for how much period you want it.
I want it for 1 year.
Okay, sir, you will get it. But in which area would you like to get the flat?
Somewhere near Zakir Nagar.
Yes, sir. Here you will definitely find. On which floor would you want it, sir?
I want it on the first floor.
Okay, you will find it. I would like to tell you that the flats we have are of 2 types, one with a sofa and the other one without a sofa. So which one would you like to take?
Yes, I want a furnished one.
Yes, sir, you will get it, but sir, I would like to tell you that the flat with the sofa is very expensive.
No problem, sir. Just tell me the monthly rent.
Okay, sir. The monthly rent is 15,000 INR.
You take the total rent in advance or you take it on a monthly basis?
No, sir, we don't have a monthly basis system. We take 6 months' rent at a time.
Okay, no problem. Let me know if this flat has all the facilities.
Yes, sir. This flat is big and equipped with all modern facilities.
How many rooms are there?
Sir, this flat consists of 4 rooms, along with 2 bathrooms and a kitchen as well.
Okay, but I want a flat with 3 bedrooms only.
Okay, sir, you will get it too.
Do you have such a flat?
Yes, sir, there is.
Hamoud. And on which floor that flat is?
Sir, we can't give you it on the first floor, but it is on the second floor.
Well, is it exactly near to the road?
Yes, it is near the road.
Oof. Then there will be a problem because there will be a lot of noise.
Yes, sir, I can understand that there will be noise in the flat on the side of the road, so I would like to suggest that you should take the one with 4 bedrooms which we have just talked about.
It's fine. Just tell me one more thing. Does the rent include water and electricity?
No, sir. You have to pay the water and electricity bills on your side separately.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, sir. Should I book the flat for you?
Yes, of course, but tell me how much I will have to pay the rent at a time.
Sir, you will have to pay 90,000 for 6 months. But for that, you have to come to us, come here tomorrow, and your agreement will be made. For this, you need a photocopy of your Aadhaar card and 2 separate passport-size photos. Then, after the agreement is completed, your money will be taken, and you will be given the key of the flat at the same time.
That is good. Then we'll meet tomorrow, Insha'Allah.
Yes, for sure. Okay, sir. Then I will send you our address to the same number. Come to the same address. You are welcome.
Okay, Insha'Allah.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Same to you.
Thank you.